What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone says storage full and you're not sure what's taking up space, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to empty the recycle bin or trash folder in 2026 to free up storage fast, improve performance, and make your phone run smoother. No extra apps needed. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage your phone's storage and system features there. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully and look for options like Battery and Device Care, Storage, or Phone Maintenance depending on your Android brand. Tap it to continue. Inside this section, find and open the Storage menu. Here you'll see how much space is being used by apps, photos, videos, downloads, and temporary files. Many Android phones also keep deleted files inside a hidden trash or recycle bin folder for several days before permanent removal. These files can still take up a lot of storage space. Now look for trash, recycle bin, or recently deleted and open it. You may find deleted photos, videos, documents, contacts, or other files stored there. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and choose Empty, Delete All, or Clear Trash. Confirm the action and your phone will permanently remove those files to free up space instantly. After that, go back to the storage page and check the updated free space. You should notice more available storage right away, helping your phone run smoother and faster. If this helped, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick Android tips.